Hello everybody. Here we have a vintage Penncrest box fan, 20-inch. I don't know the model number. There's nothing listed on it other than the badge that says Penncrest. 3 speeds, high, medium, and low. This was a trash find some years ago. It does work. It's dirty and it's beat up because it's been in my shed for years, which leaks. And I think the reason why it was thrown out is because it sounds like a diesel engine when it runs. It's rattling and it's noisy. I've oiled it several times before. The noise doesn't go away. So there's no play in the motor. You know, it's nice and tight. So nothing's loose. But start up and high and you can hear. Decent spin down time, so it's not like it's seized up. You know, any ideas? Let me know. Start up from low. From low. He's got good spin down time, so it's not like the bearings are completely shot. Maybe it was never oiled in this life and there's a groove worn into them or something, you know, who knows. If you have any ideas as to what's causing that, you know, let me know. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I just gave it a shot at WD-40, basically drowned the motor in it. Seems to have quieted down a bit, but the rattle still persists, so I'll start it up on low. medium. You can see it's a bit quieter, but it still sounds like a diesel engine, and it's been doing that since the day I found it in the trash, so that's probably why they tossed it. But you know, as I said, I've oiled it and the sound never goes away. You can see it's a little bit quieter, but you know, it's still rattling. So at the old house I just use it as a garage fan because it's so noisy I can't use it in the house. So I don't know if the noise, if it needs bearings or what it is, but just use it as an exhaust fan now and then, I guess. Alright, thanks for watching.